Coming. Clean up. Did you forget something?
I'm not a cleaner.
Don't understand. Wow. What do you want to do?
Looks so good. Wow.
What are you here for?
Are you not video on Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm the one I'm chatting with.
What?
Yes.
You're the one I'm chatting with.
Yes. Of course. So I paid you now.
You're the one on my Instagram. Yes. I don't understand. You must be joking.
I'm the one that paid you. That is me. And this is me, right?
You're the one that paid for my apartment.
Yes, I'm the one.
Which Malaysia?
Yes, I'm the one.
Ha! Okay, walk out. Get out.
No.
You?
Yes.
Which Malaysia?
Yes, it's me. I paid you for this job. Wow. Yes.
Leave this hotel.
I paid you now. I'm the one that chat you now. I paid you. So let's start our job. Let's start.
Oga, you can't be the person I'm chatting with.
You are the one I chat with. I paid you now.
Oga, get out!
Madam, I paid you. So let me start my job now. I paid you.
You will not sleep here. Please go.
I paid you, madam.
Oga, leave this room. You're not the one I'm chatting.
I'm the one. Check it.
Ella. Kabashi.
I better go.
No, I'm the one. Come and lie down. Let's start.
Start waiting.
Start.
Ogugo key. I am ready. Come. I'm expecting someone. I beg they go.
I'm the one.
Okay, you're not the one. You're not Tushe Malaysia.
I'm the one.
You're the one on this.
Yes.
Wait, this is
That
you.
is me online. Yes.
Hey!
Why you shouting? Come now. Let's start now.
Leave.
I'm not leaving. Let's start now.
No. Please, they go. Leave. Leave. Get out. Leave.
I paid you now. Come, let's start now. Let's start.
Get out from here. Leave from here. Carry. Leave.
I paid
You paid who? Ushe Malaysia.
Yes.
You are the one.
Yes.
But this is not you now on social media. This is not you on Instagram.
Yes,
Are you the one?
on Instagram.
This is your page.
Yes.
This is you.
It's me.
Like this.
Yes. I paid you. Let's start.
As you have something to do with you like this.
Yes. Let's start.
Even if you're the foundational school that I always pray against. You leave this hotel. Leave. Carry your this thing. Hey. Hook up. Social media. You go to search another person. They chat. Another person you go to see. So now this guy built Malaysia. Hey!